Hey guys, what's going on? This is Science Ginger here. And what would happen if you dug a hole straight from the top of the earth to the bottom of the earth? Just straight down. And you just cleared it all out so it's all clear, and you jumped from the top right to the bottom. Well, there's a lot of questions that need to be answered about this, and first thing off is it's quite unrealistic and probably never going to happen. But this is a science video, and I'm just going to talk about what would happen if somebody were to do this and what would happen. First of all, as you all probably know, it doesn't take much to figure out that the center of the earth is extremely boiling hot. Well, if one were to jump through the middle of the earth, when they got to not even the middle of the earth, but as they got closer to the earth, they would start to heat up, and the pressure underneath the ground and towards the center of the earth would be too much, and they just simply wouldn't be able to survive. So first off, before one was going to even consider doing this, they would need a special suit that would keep them safe from the heat and kind of give them oxygen and kind of keep them safe from the pressure. So you pretty much need, and that suit would probably cost a lot of money. So you need a very expensive protective suit. So assuming that you can have the tools to dig a hole straight through Earth, which is so much space, like it would take so long to do that and so much equipment. So assuming you were able to do that and you were able to get your hands on some ultra mega spacesuit or protection suit or something, then here's what would happen. It seems kind of cool and it's kind of logical if you think about it. The center of the Earth has gravity. Sorry about that. The center of the Earth has gravity. So that's why things revolve around the Earth, such as the moon. So that's why when we are standing on the surface and we jump up, we get pulled back down to ground because of the gravity from the center of the Earth. It's pulling us back to the ground. If there were no gravity, then obviously we'd just stay up and we'd just float and we wouldn't come back down to the Earth. So basically, having said that, so if we were going to go to the very top, right to the very top of the hole where we dug, and we were going to jump down, well, first off, you'd obviously start increasing speed. You'd be going down, 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 and you'd be going faster and faster, just like Felix Baumgartner. If you guys heard about what he did, he jumped from the pretty high up in the space, almost above the atmosphere, pretty much, and he free fell right down to Earth. He pulled a parachute out, but he was trying to break a world record, and yeah, that was pretty cool. So it would be somewhat like that. You'd just be falling, gaining velocity as you fell, and once you hit the center of the Earth, that would be your even point, because from that point on, you'd start to get slower and slower. Reason for this is because of gravity. When you were falling down, you were being pulled in towards the middle of the Earth from gravity, so that's why you're increasing speed. As you head away from the center of the Earth, you're acting against gravity. So that's the reason why you'd be getting slower and slower. Now, at the speed you were going, it wouldn't be much big of a difference. Sorry, can't talk today. It would barely even affect your speed right away. But as you got closer and closer to the other side of the Earth, you would lose speed. So eventually, after you fall all that time through the hole, you would come out the other side. And what happens is pretty cool. Is what you would do is you would go up into the air on the other side of the Earth, and then if there wasn't any wind or any other force pushing you side to side, then you would just fall right back into the hole. And if you had no other forces acting on you, just the force of gravity, technically you would go up and down, up and down, up and down through the middle of the Earth continuously until some other force was acting on you. So yeah, guys, that's pretty neat. If you have any questions or if you want to say anything, feel free to mention them down below in the comment section. And other than that, thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.